He's so hard by vocal cords like kaboom. Oh. You know what I love up here? They just how smart are they? Peanut. Get over here. Should I buy? This? Oh, wait, what, that? Yeah, I see the hot dog. You know, if I bought that, I won't be able to. Wait, if I bought that, I wouldn't be able to buy the chicken. Because wait, if I have 4,720. So wait, that's 1,006. How much is the chicken? Okay, you want me to buy a hot dog? What? I'll only buy if you'll buy. So I probably won't. I keep abandoning my pets. Where are these pets? Oh yeah. Oh, there the dog is. That's so weird. So we change the map again? No. But if I could just buy this and this not have fireworks, but that'd be like 1,600. Okay, I have 3,100. Okay. We got one that gives us like regenerating cotton. What's that? No, that's the behind the scenes. No, I just know. No, I don't even know she existed. I completed the challenge and landed on my pets. Is that like a girl who just goes down stuff and using an umbrella? Wait, you can buy a world map? World map? I could actually. I could buy a world map instead. Wait, so. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I guess I could on here. Can I end it with that? Okay, I'm gonna cut. Okay. Yeah, pie. I'm kind of hungry. Oh, bye. See ya. Bye.